What's up? KevTech here. So today we have the new Hero 8 Black. So today we're going to be unboxing this, reviewing it, going over all the features. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to subscribe if you're new and like the video if you enjoyed it and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment down below how much you like this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, now let's get into the unboxing. So here's a little peek inside the box. And here it is, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Alright, so here we can see what's in the box. We have the GoPro, 2 different mounts, a cord for charging, a little screwdriver to undo the mounts, and a little battery. On the other side, we can see the capabilities of this GoPro. It can shoot in 12 megapixel, it has a 4K 60 camera, and it has 8x slow-mo. It also has Hypersmooth 2.0, Time Warp 2.0, and it has 1080p. It also has live burst photo capability and super photo plus HDR as well, and it can also get the raw photo. And here we can see that it has a microphone, touchscreen, and it can move any which way. It's water resistant up to 33 feet, which is 10 meters, and it has GPS as well. You can also see that it has a GoPro app on the back, which I'll be setting up later. Alright, so now we're going to get into the actual box itself. So if you see on the bottom, there's a little pull tab here, so I'm just going to pull that right now. Alright, so here we have the actual GoPro. It's very smooth, has a nice powder coating on the outside. On the back of it, we have the certain ways that you can mount and unmount. So it shows you how to mount and unmount the GoPro. And on this side, we have the GoPro logo itself, and same here on this side. Nothing on the back side. So let's just open up this box. If I can figure out how to open it. All right. We have a few instructions with GoPro Plus. We have downloading the GoPro app right here. And it also shows us how to use all these little modifications and how to set it up. And we also have a little help sheet here in all the different languages if you need to talk with the GoPro expert. Looks like we have 2 very gorgeous stickers here. And a little bit of safety instructions right here and product information. And now we come to this part. Just gonna lift this up. We have a curved GoPro mount. We have the GoPro battery. Look at how tiny and cute it is. Just a little size comparison. And we have the charger for the GoPro. This plugs into the charger thing for the battery, it looks like. And if we open this one, there's nothing more. So now for the GoPro itself. Let me try and figure out how to remove this, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I finally figured out how to unmount it. You just pull up on this little rubber tab here, squeeze in, and the GoPro will naturally come on out. Here we go. And then this is the actual GoPro with the mount itself. Let's just take a little look at that. Then how to undo it from the mount. You just unscrew this. Let me hold it so it doesn't drop. Place this here. I'll also place this here. Then what you can do is you can fold in these things so it's all nice and smooth. So here's the actual GoPro itself. You have the recording button so you can take videos and photos. You have the camera. You have the speakers right here so it can pick up nice audio. Little screen here to kind of show you how much life and battery life is left and how much space you have left on your SD card. You have the power button right here. And you have the touch screen on the back right here as well. Now, the GoPro battery will just come in right here, so you just pull down on this and lift up. So the battery will go right in here, and there's a little slot for the SD card right on the side, and you can charge it also right through here. Alright, so now we're going to be setting up the GoPro app. So there's a little instruction sheet here that shows you what to do. So you go into the App Store, search GoPro app. Looks like I already have it. Open on up. So what we do is I'm going to remove my old camera and we add camera. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. I should probably first put the battery in. That might be smart. So what I'm going to do, grab the battery, slide it right on in, and I will turn it on. Add a camera. Alright, Hero 8 Black. My camera is on. Let's try it one last time. Add a camera. Here we go. Connect camera. Pair. It's connected. So it looks like the GoPro starts at around 24%. Alright, it's connecting. And it looks like camera update is available. Update camera. So now I'm just updating the camera and doing all the final software update features just to get it all spec'd out so it's nice and perfect. So one problem that you guys might run into, that I have run into, is the fact that my GoPro did not come with a micro SD card, so there's not enough space. Your GoPro may or may not come with an SD card, but mine did not, so I'm going to have to go to the store and get one. But that's it for this video right now, because I do not have one, so I'll see you guys in a second. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to stay tuned for other videos, and subscribe and turn on notification bells, and like the video if you really enjoyed it. This is my new GoPro. I'm really going to enjoy it, and I'm hopefully going to post a future video to update you guys on how much I enjoy it. So without further ado, goodbye. I hope you have a great night, day, whatever time it is, and I'll see you next time.